Good morning, guys. Good morning, guys. I'm just waking up. Victor Isibo here. How was your night, guys? So still on the AI stock trading bot update. I promise to always carry you along with happenings with my trades. Now, yesterday, being the 28th, at about 6 p.m., you see, trade was opened for OpenAI. If you don't know OpenAI, that is ChatGPT. All right, this is their stock. Trade was open for it, and what is the volume of my money that went into this trade? See it here, $13.29, $13.29 USDT. Okay, this one that you are seeing here, this price you are seeing here is the price per share of OpenAI stock, per share, per unit, 1 unit. So you can do fractional trading. You don't have to have an entire share value. All right. For instance, I don't know how much Dangote cement is per share, but the truth is, if you have 100 naira, you can buy. You can buy a fraction of it. So for this trade, my own personal volume I'm trading is $13.29, while the price is $1,329,000 per share of OpenAI, which is the parent company of ChatGPT. All right. That aside, yes, telecoms giants, mobile phone giants, Samsung, at exactly 1 a.m. in the wee hours of this morning, June the 29th, I made a profit of 62 cents. All right, very early in the morning. How much of my money went into that trade? $57.27. You see here, it closed. You see, closing short. All right, so I am actually shorting Samsung, predicting that the price would come down. And for this particular trade, I was correct. Okay, Samsung per share is $217. That is the price of Samsung per share. All right. And at exactly the same time, check it, 1 a.m., June the 29th, 1 a.m., June the 29th, I made 38 cents from MU. From MU. It was also a short, closing short. All right. The same time. Tiny drops, making an ocean. And what happened 30 minutes later here? 1:30 a.m. See, opening short for Samsung. So after taking profit by 1 a.m., 30 minutes later, another trade is opened for the same stock, Samsung. All right. So what the bot does is, it opens a trade, a signal is triggered, a signal is sent, it triggers the bot to open a trade, to open a position. Then eventually, when it hits take profit, hopefully, or stop loss, then it has a cool down period, after which, as soon as another signal comes, it reopens another position for the same stock. And that's how it works, guys. So 1:30 a.m., another Samsung opened. All right. CMU that took profit at that 1 a.m., at exactly 30 minutes later, it also opened another position here, 1:30 a.m. All right. And about 3 hours later, Samsung here is closing in profit of 22 cents. All right. And this is how the bot goes in and out of markets as long as a trigger signal is sent. All right. It will interpret it in the market. All right. So this is how it goes into the market, takes profit, get out of the market, cool down period for a while, take another signal, enter, in and out. And this is non-custodial. My money is not here. My money is inside my Binance. This is a mirror image of what is happening in my Binance. All right. So this is the update I have for now. I'll see you again in the next one. Until then, it is bye-bye.